Meaning of ghoulish.
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 Ghoulish. Ghoulish is an adjective used to describe something that is related to death, morbid or macabre in a disturbing way. It can also refer to someone who enjoys and takes pleasure in such things. The term is derived from the Arabic word ghoul, which refers to an evil spirit or demon that robs graves and feeds on corpses. Examples of ghoulish behavior can include being fascinated with horror movies, collecting objects associated with death, or showing excessive interest in crime scenes. Overall, ghoulish behavior is considered disturbing and often viewed as abnormal by society.